Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a promotion content in Canva. So here, as you can see that Canva, as you know that Canva can be used for any social media. If you want to create like a promotion content, for example, for your Instagram story business, you can do that on Canva. So what you need to do is just use the templates from Canva, and here at the home page you just need to type in this keyword. You can use discount, or you can also use sale, or you can directly use promotions like this. And then after that, for example, I want to go with food promotions, sorry, and just search for the template. Just wait for it to load. Okay, so here you can see there are a bunch of food promotions that you can use on Canva. You can also like for example, you are on the clothing business, you can just go with clothing promotions, and after that you can just click on the templates that you want to use. For example, I want to use this ones right here, and you can click on the customize this template. So as you know, in the template you can adjust basically everything. You can change the photo into your own product, and you can also change the message, the promotion message. You can change its font, and you can also change its color. Okay, so just for wait for it to fully loaded. Okay, so in the editing page here, you can basically change everything. You can delete this photo and replace it with your own photo. You can also change, for example, the message into 70% off, and you can also change this into your own name. For example, special pizza.com. For example, you can also add your own photo in here, and after that you can just click on share and download it and share it to your social media. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on the thanks below, click on like, and also subscribe this channel. Don't forget to also watch the other videos on this channel. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.